Hi, okay, so here's the thing. I filmed this video on May 22nd. It is now June 6th. It took like a month to edit, but we're gonna ignore that. And I just wanted to edit this part in because I wanted to say that the reason why I'm not talking about any of the things that have been recently happening in this video is because of the fact that it was filmed at least 2 to 3 weeks beforehand. Well, no. Yeah, okay. So I didn't want to upload this video without addressing that, just because it wouldn't have felt right to me. I'm planning on filming a video talking about everything this week, and I'm not planning on taking 18 million years to edit that video, so fingers crossed. But Black Lives Matter, fuck the police, fuck the system, vote for Joe Biden, fuck Trump. Someone from the government is going to come to my house asking me why I said fuck Trump in a video. But yeah, keep fighting for equality. Black Lives Matter. Thank you very much. Okay, so right off the bat, we're just gonna ignore my quarantine bedhead. Apparently, I do still know how to make a semi-proper setup for a video, so that's something. So I was supposed to film this video approximately 80 different times this week, but yesterday I got a migraine all day, so that was really fun. And the day before that, my mom was home all day, and it's been a lot, but now we're here. I was originally just gonna do chocolate covered strawberries, and then I was like, why not like make it interesting and add chocolate covered bananas? And then I tried, and didn't go that well. So I don't know how this is gonna go, but I have been waiting. Sure, the moment I start filming your video, the refrigerator goes off. That's sure. I've been waiting for these strawberries literally all week. So if the bananas don't work out, they don't work out. Okay. I also have not filmed a mukbang or literally any kind of video in so long. I also didn't vlog at all this week. Someone's talking outside. I didn't vlog at all this week just because I didn't do anything and people were home. So I was like, what's the point? I'm kind of worried that these are gonna be like frozen shut. Or not frozen shut. Frozen, but I guess we'll find out. I don't. I mean, they kind of are. But like, they're still good, so. Okay. My hair is really just not having it. Like, there's not been a day during this quarantine where my hair has looked semi-decent. And like, I'm trying my best. I just don't understand why my hair can't cooperate. I'm deeply considering cutting it again. I also want to dye it again. Oh my god. But I'll probably wait until I start working again before I do that, just because I don't want to be like, oh, I'm just gonna get one thing and then end up getting like 10 things and have no money to get to work. Do you know what I mean? This is literally frozen. Is someone using the hose outside? My mouth is gonna be frozen shut. Or just frozen. I don't know why I keep saying shut after the end of everything. Also, when I first planned making this video, I did not think I was gonna have so much to talk about, but apparently I can't shut up, so. I'm thinking the life expectancy of a chocolate covered, not frozen, cool, I guess frozen, banana is not more than a day, because is this a better angle? I'm just out here to try my best. Oh, okay. Good. There's cat hair everywhere. Does anyone else feel like time has not been real during quarantine? Because I know like we're living in a simulation, like I get that, but holy fuck. Do you know what I mean? You know when you bite into something that's like really cold, like with like your four front teeth, like top and bottom, and it hurts. That just happened. Okay. I don't. Oh, there we go. Cool. So I was gonna do blue again as like a redo, but then I decided that I'm just a red girl. That's just who I am. So we're probably gonna do red again instead of blue. Like it never went bad when I did red, and it did not go well when I did blue. So like I feel like if it's not broken, don't fix it. Like I tried blue, didn't go that well. It was kind of cute, but it didn't really show up. So like, it's funny because I'm really short, but yet I still can't get my head and my plate in the same frame at like even a semi-flattering angle. So like, okay. I'm gonna try the bananas. It just tastes like banana bread. The banana just dissolved in 0.8 seconds. So this was kind of a fail considering the strawberries are way too frozen to have the chocolate stay on, and the bananas I have to eat in like a day. So big rip. Also, I hope everyone is staying safe and quarantined. And social distancing. I honestly thought this was gonna be like a 3 or 4 minute video max, and I'm already on like minute 8 probably. Excuse me. Aren't these really pretty? I think I did very well creatively on them. As you can see, there's just really something about them that's very smooth and delicate. This is gonna hurt. Like, I don't regret this because, like, strawberries and bananas, no, well, yes. But I'm gonna say strawberries and chocolate, but at the same time, that was a really cute noise that my mouth made. I'm really glad that that could happen at that moment in time. Okay, I think I'm done. This place is effectively ruined. The bananas were a fail. The strawberries were semi-fail considering they're frozen, but like they didn't disintegrate like the bananas did. And apparently that's all I can really ask for. So yeah, there we go. Here's me finally filming a sit-down video for the first time in approximately 2 months, 3 months. I couldn't tell you, but there probably will be a hair cutting video coming soon, even though that's not new content. I've made probably a million at this point, and also a hair dyeing video coming once I go back to work, which will hopefully be soon. But it's also not necessarily new content, but content is content. Am I right? Anyways, I'm gonna go. Happy Friday. Hope everyone is staying safe and quarantined and healthy and social distancing correctly, and yeah.